The advantages and disadvantages of using Bitcoins as currency. Bitcoin is a digital currency that has been around for over 10 years, but it's still not widely used. There are many reasons to use Bitcoins as currency, including the fact that they're decentralized and don't require any personal information to be exchanged, but there are also disadvantages associated with them too. This post will explore both the advantages and disadvantages of using Bitcoins as currency in order to help you make an informed decision about whether or not this type of currency is right for you. Hi, the Cryptocell is an education organization that helps newcomers learn about cryptocurrency investing so they can invest and trade responsibly and safely with our expert advice on diversifying your portfolio, buying low, selling high, and avoiding scams. Bitcoins are a digital or virtual currency that uses peer-to-peer technology to operate. It is not backed by any country's central bank or government, and it allows users to spend money anonymously. But while Bitcoins are used for many reasons, there are also some disadvantages associated with them too. There are advantages and disadvantages of using Bitcoins as currency, however. The biggest advantage is the anonymity that Bitcoin offers its users. When paying in cash, you must use your name, which can lead to identity theft or other unwanted consequences, such as having your credit card information stolen. Bitcoin transactions don't require personal information, so they offer an added level of security against these types of events happening to you. The disadvantage, though, is that because Bitcoins exist only on computers, the anonymity offered by Bitcoin is a major advantage and can protect users from being targeted in these types of attacks, according to experts. A recent study has found that cyber attacks on financial institutions have increased significantly over this past year. However, one type which was not impacted much at all were retail transactions done through banks or credit card companies, because unlike investing money into stocks, there isn't sensitive personal information involved. For example, if your wallet gets hacked, it's bad news. But when you buy, say, pharmaceutical drugs online with Bitcoin, they won't be able to find out anything about who paid for those medications as long as we don't give them more info than just our name. The advantages and disadvantages of using Bitcoins as currency are not limited to just the topic at hand. There is a lot more that needs to be considered when making this decision, such as how you will use your Bitcoin in the future. For those who want to keep their transactions anonymous, there's no better way than investing or spending with Bitcoins. However, if you don't care about anonymity or security, then it may not make sense for you to invest into something like this. If you're interested in learning more about how to invest in Bitcoin so it can be part of your diversified portfolio, then consider reading our free crypto investing ebook, which will teach you everything from A to Z, no pun intended. You may also want to look into other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, if you're looking for something else worth investing in outside of Bitcoin. With all this information, we hope that we have helped make your decision easier. I think you can learn a lot from our experts, and it would make me happy to have you as a part of our family. Follow our Cryptocell Facebook page for future updates. Feel free to share this with anyone you think might also enjoy it. Please leave a comment below about your thoughts, and our experts will respond shortly.